This tutorial I will going to show on how to make natural photo manipulation with add fantasy color. Now select your top of the layer and hold press Alt or Ctrl Shift E for apply current image. Now select this top layer and go to filter, then Nik collection, then select color FX Pro 4. Here select to cross processing filter and select your desired filter for more fantasy color. Click on Add Filter. And use another filter. Select Darken and Lighten Center Filter. Now click on OK. This time you can save this image. Thanks for watching our full tutorial. I hope you must like our tutorial. Please like, comment and please share our videos. Thank you so much for stay with us. See you next tutorial. Thank you.